this video, I will show you how to use RevPoints on Revolut. So if you haven't started yet on Revolut, then please check the link in the description to get started absolutely for free and to receive some nice starting bonuses. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So first of all, we're going to our RevPoints tab at the bottom right. And in here, you need to make sure that you are getting started with RevPoints. So you need to have Join RevPoints completed, and you can complete that by clicking on the RevPoints tab and then basically click on Join the Program. So after you have that done, you are ready to earn points. And there are some ways that you can earn points. So the first and most regular way is by just spending money with your Revolut account. And with the standard plan, you will receive 1 RevPoint per 10 euros or something equivalent to that. So let's say $10 spent. And when you upgrade your plan, then you will start earning more RevPoints per euros spent, and on and on. So that is the regular way to start earning. There are also ways to boost your earning, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And for that, we need to scroll down, and in here we see Earn RevPoints. So you can also earn RevPoints when you are spending on certain shops, on stays, hotels, and homes, when you complete certain challenges, spare change, or with the points pocket. And I'm going to show you what this will look like. So let's say you want to earn more RevPoints with shops, and then you have certain merchants in here. Let's say Canon, this one is at the homepage. So you will receive 20 times RevPoints when you shop with Canon. So with every shop, they will show you some steps on what you need to do to start earning the boosted points. So in this case, it is just basically making a purchase on Canon by using the link and paying with your Revolut card. And you can do this on and on and on for every shop that is available in here. And that is for shops, and you can also earn more on stays. So let's say you want to find a hotel or something like that. Then you can also click on stays. And let's say you want a hotel in Dubai. Then you're going to click on that offer, and then you can basically book this through Revolut and with the partner that is connected to Revolut. So let's say you want this bed, then you see it's costing 205 euros and you will earn 81 RevPoints for this. So that is a nice way to earn RevPoints on stays. And you can also earn by challenges. And you see here we have welcome bonuses. We can earn 3,000 RevPoints, and that is also really nice. And that is how you can use RevPoints on Revolut. And if you want to redeem your points, you can go ahead to this section, and in here you can redeem your RevPoints with certain shops, with let's say miles. Right now I have 0 transfer points, but let's say you have a lot, then you can basically transfer points to certain fly carriers. And this way you can save on flights and stuff like that. And you can also do this on stays, shops, and on and on. So you can basically redeem your points for stays. And that is how the RevPoints work. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.